We are going to build a carbon natural badge checkout extension in Shopify. So what you will need, you will have a Node.js installed, version 18 or higher, npm installed in your local machine, a Shopify partner account, and a development store. So first step, we will install the Shopify CLI. If you don't have installed the Shopify CLI, open the terminal and install npm install -g. It will install the globally Shopify CLI in your computer. So you will give the command Shopify/CLI Shopify/theme. So once you hit enter, it will start installing Shopify CLI in your local machine. So once this is installed, we will check the Shopify version by typing Shopify version, and if it gives you the version, it's mean your CLI have installed successfully. So we have 3.88.1. This is the latest version of Shopify. The next thing you are going to do, you are going to log in with your partner account. So you will say Shopify auth login, and it will give you a prompt in the browser. So you can log in to your partner account. I am already logged in, so it is asking me to use this account. So in your case, it will open the new browser and it will ask you to log in with your partner account, and then you can log in with your partner account and it will take you back over here again. Okay, next we are going to install the Shopify app, and you will type npm init Shopify. You will type Shopify app init. You can type this command, or you can just copy and paste this command, npm init @shopify/apps@latest. So you can do whatever you want. So type yes. Now it is going to create a new app for you, and it will ask you to build a React router app. This is recommended, or build an extension only. So if you are building only extension, you can check build an extension only. Otherwise, you can select build a React router app. If you are managing the data from the backend, you can use build a React app. So let's use build a React router app, and inside that we will add the extension. So for your React router template, which language do you want, JavaScript or TypeScript? We will be using TypeScript. And now it is asking me which organization you would like to install this app. So I will choose my organization, and you are going to use your own organization. Do you want to create a new app? Yes, we are going to create a new app. If you have already created the app through Shopify partner account, you can use that one, but we are creating the new one. Okay, so now we will name it carbon natural badge. We will name this. You can carbon neutral badge and hit enter, and it will start installing the app in your machine. It will take some time. I'll pause the video and get back to you. All right, our app is installed now. Now the next thing, cd carbon neutral badge. You can copy that command and paste that over here and go to your app directory, and then run Shopify generate app extension. It will generate the extension in your app, and then we will start the app. Now it is asking me what type of extension you are going to build. There are different types: checkout UI extension, post purchase, customer account, admin, action block, admin blocks, and customer segment, and so on. We are going to build the checkout UI extension, and let me just copy and paste the name of this extension. I will name it carbon natural badge neutral badge. So now it is generating the extension in our app, so it will take a little bit time. I'll pause the video, and now our extension is installed. Now we can run Shopify app dev. Before I do that, let me open this specific folder. I go to YouTube and carbon neutral badge. I open this directory. Now I open the terminal again, and now I will type npm run dev and hit enter. Now our Shopify app is going to run in our machine. So now it is asking us which store would you like to use. So you can you can select your store. Make sure your store has checkout extensibility. So I check this one with the checkout, and it is going to show our app in this store. So it will take some time to run the app. Okay, our app is almost ready. Now there are different commands to run. The first one, G to open the GraphQL admin API to make the GraphQL calls, P to preview in your browser. So let's press P, and it will open the extension in the browser. And you can see we have, if you want to go to the app home, you can click on this link, and if you want to see the purchase checkout block render, you can see the extension over here. So let's click on this link, and it will take us to the checkout page. Okay, now carbon neutral badge, welcome to the checkout purchase. So if I go here in the extension folder and click on the carbon neutral badge, and in the source we have checkout.jsx. This is coming from here, and if I say welcome to time, and let's see if it makes the changes to our let me just remove this and add something over here. Text target Shopify translate welcome, and 1 second, this is the button, this is the text. Write something here and go back here, reload the page. Okay, now you can see our changes are being applied over here. So let's change the position of this and show that over here. Okay, let's go to the app and then open Shopify extension terminal. This is the file where we set the target. Right now the purchase.checkout.block.render, and let's replace this with the purchase checkout reduction.render after. So let's copy this and replace that over here, and if you reload, now it is showing over here. So now let's go to the page and make the changes. Okay, I will replace this file with my code and I will explain you everything. So we have this carbon neutral batch, this function, and we are returning this S box. In this we have your checkout is carbon neutral, and this is the SVG shipped with the electric vehicle. These are all the Polaris web components you can use, and this is the text I have added. And if I save this, and here you go, your checkout is a carbon neutral, and you can see all these elements over here, and you can add whatever you need. You can make them dynamic, so you can change that later on. So I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.